Hello, gents. Martin Szreter, 5-minute review of price action of Bitcoin, crypto, and ETH, and everything you need to know. Okay. So, in terms of the liquidations, the most liquidation is on Binance, but these volumes are not that big actually. Unless we zoom it out, then yeah, they are bigger, and that's exactly how it looks like. Basically, in the last hour, half a day, 4 hours, and the full day, we speak almost half, and exactly the equivalent of what's happening. In the last 4 hours, markets liquidating short, but the US is off for the weekend, right? So these are the small price moves, and this is how it looks like on the waves orders. Where is orders like a big orders, that the price basically is oscillating. Nothing really changed, right? We are still at the level of 104, but notice one thing: we didn't go again below 200k. So Bitcoin is stabilizing above 100k, and 100k is here. Yeah, we can have a quick week like here, 1 or 2, but we also can pump. So yeah, let's monitor it closely. In terms of the futures, that's not for us. It's just too boring a little bit, but this one is good. Bull market, big indications, sell at the top. So for now, we are 100% at the holding. Just keep holding. You don't think about the selling. Actually, guys, you shouldn't sell Bitcoin below 10 millions, okay? Then if we look into the liquidation heat map, we have a lot of liquidation, 104, and this can be easily taken. This is still above the 100k. So everything between 100 and 104, like 102 to 104, I think Monday can be catched up and then take off or something like that. So if we look at the heat map funding rate, we are green. That looks really good. If we look at the RSI for the crypto, we are at the levels of 50, and exactly also when the alt season market looks like. So if you look at the alt season parameter, we are exactly at 50, and that's where we are. So when we compare Bitcoin ETH to US 500 and US 100, this is how it looks like. And for US 500, we just broke a new all-time high last week, sitting here. So definitely we'll test it, but it looks like there will be some continuation. So let's monitor it closely. US 100 also like stabilizing at these levels, and yeah, let's see what happened next, right? In all this sequence, Bitcoin and Ethereum looks like ready to pump, especially if he got a lot of, as always, when you just hold, if you need to be fucked, like when you have futures for Ethereum, man, you are just usually broke, that to trade futures on Ethereum, you need to just always get just extreme level, like here, then the only moment when you are safe. That's usually Ethereum is very difficult to trade. But let's go and review further where we are in others than top 10. It looks extremely bullish. We are at the extremely demand zone for these assets, because look at how we are jumping and also where the level of shitcoins are. If you look at the prices, we are at the lows again. So this is a bottom. How many new projects was introduced to the market in the recent few months? And that's the case. The old projects, they are fact. The new also, but overall there is a lot of volume coming to the new projects. So the old also gets a little bit due to that, the price is dropping. On the Binance Bitcoin balance, we are basically just falling down like hell, and at the same time price increasing, and the name of this is supply shock. When we look at the Bitcoin to gold ETF, this is how it looks like, and this is where it goes when it went last time, okay? So if this will happen again in a few years from now, like 2030, 5 years, we have 1 million. It can be reached much faster, okay, like 700k, like Larry Fink said, but there is no pump without pullback. Markets need to liquidate longer because market will be overheated, everything will pump. So Bitcoin, even if you go, definitely it will pull back too, okay? So look at at gold, pump, pullback. Go to the media, pump, pullback, kind of bull market, and then again back. That's exactly what we can expect for Bitcoin. There will be no straight line. There will be up, consolidation, down. Guys, these are billions of money, so it's very important that they will DCA. They will make sure that before next pump, they can still buy it cheap, right? Because they love impatient traders to take money from them. So I am sure there will be still opportunities to trade. Ethereum charts, look how it looks, and it looks really bullish. To me, it looks like a bottom. This 29, I think the price will never go there again in the future unless there will be black swap event. And I compare it to October 2020. That's how it looks like, okay? Basically, if that's the case, we have the 1 year of bull market, which means shitcoins will pump a hell. So the same for this chart, Ethereum to Bitcoin. We will go to 007 not very soon, but like this year, end of this year. Bitcoin dominance, I think it can go actually higher. There's a lot of money coming to Bitcoin, so it wouldn't surprise me. And actually, I just learned that the biggest lesson from trading is like, there is nothing impossible, basically, really. When you look at the big four, XRP looks crazy. The best chart, and together with Solana, the strongest two coins, which they are really going crazy. Altcoin season, that's what I was talking about, that it's the same parameter when we saw at the RSI level. So this 50 looks like a decent pullback and bottom. We are ready for next higher up. Cycle lows for Bitcoin, we are start climbing, basically copy paste to 2017 cycle. Look, it's basically, we just have only run for now for the next 280 to 280, 50 for the next 2 months, which is February, March, and then pullback. April, and then again up, and then again pullback and up. That's absolutely possible. Let's monitor it closely, but that's the game plan. Rainbow, 300k, stock to income, stock to flow, 400k, and a lot of inflows, guys. So thanks a lot for listening. I think this is enough review of price action, where we are, what we are going. So talk to you tomorrow. Bye.